The 2025 CFMOTO 450CL-C is a sleek and modern motorcycle designed for adventure and off-road enthusiasts. With a powerful 450cc engine, it delivers the perfect balance of performance and agility, allowing riders to conquer tough trails and terrains with ease. Whether you're cruising through dirt paths or navigating rocky landscapes, this bike's robust engine ensures you have the power to go the distance. The bike features a sturdy frame that offers both strength and stability, giving riders the confidence they need on rough surfaces. Its suspension system is designed to absorb shocks and bumps, making the ride smooth and comfortable even in challenging conditions. The 450CL-C is also built with high-quality tires that provide excellent grip, improving traction on a variety of surfaces. One of the standout features of the 2025 CFMOTO 450CL-C is its advanced technology. It comes with a digital display that provides real-time information like speed, fuel level, and trip data, so you can stay informed throughout your journey. The bike's lighting system includes bright LED headlights that ensure visibility in low-light conditions, making it safe to ride at any time of day. Comfort is a priority with the 450CL-C, featuring a well-designed seat and ergonomically positioned handlebars that help reduce rider fatigue on long rides. The bike also includes a large fuel tank, giving it a longer range for extended adventures without frequent stops for refueling. Overall, the 2025 CFMOTO 450CL-C is a versatile and reliable bike, perfect for riders who want to explore the outdoors with confidence. Its combination of power, comfort, and advanced features makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced riders looking to take on new challenges. The 2025 CFMOTO 450CL-C is also equipped with a high-performance braking system, ensuring safety in all riding conditions. The front and rear disc brakes provide strong stopping power, allowing riders to maintain control, even when navigating downhill or in slippery conditions. This added security, combined with the bike's responsive handling, makes it a reliable choice for those who want to push their limits while maintaining a safe riding experience. In terms of design, the 450CL-C stands out with its bold, aggressive look. The bodywork is streamlined and aerodynamic, which not only enhances the bike's visual appeal but also contributes to its overall performance by reducing drag. The bike's durable finish is resistant to wear and tear, ensuring it maintains its sleek appearance even after extensive use. With its combination of performance, safety, and striking design, the 2025 CFMOTO 450CL-C is a standout option for anyone seeking a capable and stylish motorcycle for off-road adventures.